Okay, so I'm gonna set my multimeter on diode. So it's just gonna check if it got continuity. So touch them both together, you get that beep. So the only thing we are trying to do is put like current through the transistors just to like charge them back up. Since this been sitting for I say like 7 years or something without being played. So just check it. So that's the wrong way. Okay, so that one's not doing anything. So the next one. Let me make it closer. So you heard that beep, so this is the only thing we're gonna do right now. If it don't work, we're gonna replace this one right here. We just try to make them come back alive. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so I'll put back together. Okay, so it's working. Same exact one, but the dirt marks. So I'm just cleaning. I just didn't want anyone to say, well, it's a different one or something like that. But it's the same one. The only thing I did was use a multimeter and had that current go through the transistors. And that's it. So like and subscribe. Thank you.